Now for the vital part of this mission. We have been coding Shadow Fox's satellite dish, but we need his dish to send a message to the satellite in space so it can turn toward the dish. In order to send that message into space, we need a block called broadcast message. We can name the message anything we want. Let's name it something that will help us remember what it does. Okay, we've named it, but I'm clicking on it and nothing is happening. Let me connect it on the bottom here and explain. A broadcast block is kind of like a walkie-talkie. One walkie-talkie sends out a signal, but the signal can't be heard unless there is another walkie-talkie that can receive the message. So Shadow Fox's dish is sending the message, and we need to go to the satellite to receive the message. We need to make sure the words in the "When I receive" block match the ones in the broadcast message block. In this case, it's turn satellite toward Shadow Fox. Once the message is received, we need to tell the satellite what to do. We need it to turn toward the satellite dish. Once it's put together, read the code to see what it does. It will turn 45 degrees to the right until it is facing the dish. Now see if you can code yours to do the same.